Hello and welcome to The Brief, where we bring you key economic developments that occurred in the previous week and key activities to watch in the new week. As we approach the month of December to wrap up what has been an eventful year 2022, the impact of Nigeria's monetary regime on the real sector and households is one area for analysts, economists, and the general public to reflect on. For the key socio-economic events from last week, the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Nigeria, at the end of its last meeting for the year, voted to increase the monetary policy rate by 100 basis points from 15.5% to 16.5%. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, Nigeria's gross domestic product grew by 2.25%. The nation in third quarter of 2022 recorded an average daily oil production of 1.20 million barrels per day. The non-oil sector also grew by 4.27% in real terms during the reference quarter. Also last week, President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, unveiled the newly redesigned 200, 500 and 1,000 naira notes at the Federal Executive Council meeting. The event had in attendance the Senate President, Central Bank Governor, and other key dignitaries in government. For the market roundup for the week ended 25th November 2022, here are the key highlights. The equities market recorded positive performance as the listed equities market NGX ASI recorded a gain of plus 6.88% week on week, and the NASD OTC closed positive with a plus 0.01% gain. The AFEX rate closed positive and the AFEX rate closed positive. The BDC rates closed negative. The Brent crude oil price moved down while the WTI crude oil price moved down at the end of the week. The FMDQ debt market size closed negative at the end of the week. The AFEX ACI closed flat while the AI index closed negative. On what to expect from the market this week by Proshare. From the money market, Proshare analysts expect system liquidity will remain robust this week, sustaining the interbank rates at current levels. For the Treasury bills market, analysts expect improved liquidity, which should spur some buying interest. From the secondary markets, Proshare analysts also expect cherry picking should persist this week. Looking at economic, financial, and capital market events to watch in the new week, as part of his advocacy for a stable Nigerian political economy with informed and actively engaged electorates, Fixed Politics and the co-chairs of his study groups will, on Monday, November 28, 2022, launch the activation of the Office of the Citizen. Venue is Providence Hotel, GRA Ikeja, Lagos, and time is 10 a.m. On Tuesday, November 29, 2022, Proshare, Nigeria's leading financial information hub, will host an online trading webinar which will discuss the theme Online Trading in the Age of Distributed Ledger Technology, Improving Investors' Trading Experience. It will have as keynote speaker Dr. Olufemi OYENUGA, Chief Digital Officer, Technology Service Division, Nigerian Exchange Group, amongst other representatives from the CSCS, Sophus, FMDQ, NASD, AFEX Exchange, fintech and tech infrastructure organization. Time for the event is 10 a.m. On the same date, Access Holdings PLC will hold a statutory meeting of the shareholders. Venue is the Balmoral Convention Center, Federal Palace Hotel, Ahmadu Bello Way, Victoria Island, Lagos, and time is 12 noon. The Nigeria British Chamber of Commerce will hold its 2022 presidential dinner on Friday, December 2nd, with Mrs. Bisi Adeyemi, President of the NBCC, as chief host. And that will be all for this edition of The Brief. You can join our website, www.proshare.co, to get our latest reports, stories, articles, and videos. Thank you for watching, and do have a lovely week.